Introduction to Best Recipe Organizer Apps for iPhone and Android in 2025. The world of cooking has become increasingly digital with numerous recipe organizer apps available for both iPhone and Android devices. These apps help home cooks and professional chefs alike to discover, organize, and cook recipes with ease. In this tutorial, we will explore the best recipe organizer apps for iPhone and Android in 2025, highlighting their key features and benefits. Step 1. Understanding key features. When selecting a recipe organizer app, consider the key features that meet your cooking needs. These include recipe discovery, meal planning, grocery lists, and cooking mode. Recipe discovery allows you to browse and search for recipes based on ingredients, dietary preferences, and cooking methods. Meal planning enables you to plan and organize your meals for the week, while grocery lists help you keep track of the ingredients you need to purchase. Step 2. Exploring popular apps. Some of the most popular recipe organizer apps for iPhone and Android in 2025 include Yummly, Big Oven, and Paprika Recipe Manager. Yummly offers a vast recipe database, meal planning, and grocery lists. Big Oven features over 500,000 recipes, meal planning, and a cooking mode for easy recipe navigation. Paprika Recipe Manager allows you to organize your recipes, plan meals, and generate grocery lists. Step 3. Best practices for using recipe organizer apps. To get the most out of your recipe organizer app, follow these best practices. First, start by organizing your existing recipes into the app, either by importing them from other sources or manually entering them. Next, explore the app's recipe discovery feature to find new recipes and inspiration. Use the meal planning feature to plan your meals for the week, and generate grocery lists to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. Step 4. Tips for choosing the right app. When choosing a recipe organizer app, consider your specific cooking needs and preferences. If you follow a specific diet, look for an app that offers recipes and meal planning tailored to your dietary needs. If you enjoy trying new recipes, look for an app with a large and diverse recipe database. Finally, read reviews and try out different apps to find the one that best suits your cooking style and preferences. Conclusion. In conclusion, the best recipe organizer apps for iPhone and Android in 2025 offer a range of features and benefits to help you discover, organize, and cook recipes with ease. By understanding the key features, exploring popular apps, and following best practices, you can find the perfect recipe organizer app to enhance your cooking experience.